Yes, Mr. Chairman. Of course, we'll be guided by jurisprudence. My personal feeling is that assessment is Congress can compel. But of course, we shouldn't violate the law. We should follow it. But a good compromise nga is that we will consider it a constructive executive session that the BIR Commissioner turn over to you with the condition that it will not be released unless we follow our rules and vote that it be released, but it will be for the perusal. And of course, we thank the Commissioner for doing the research on it. I don't think you were compelled, no? It was an initiative on your part. Mr. Chairman, can I ask for one more thing? Kasi ang mga LOA is flying left and right. And of course, you're more than meeting your target. And of course, in the other room, happy everyone dun sa, within pa rin yung funding, but you're doing your part sa BIR. So can you also add in your submission, not today, yung itong top 15, or if you wanna go beyond the top 15, na LOA din ba kaya itong mga to? Para alam din natin na, kasi may question na on supervision ng DPWH, may question na yung COA, nabantayan ba? So let's look also on the BIR side for your guidance and our guidance na rin na, Commissioner. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Are you done, Senator? Okay. Soto, Minority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I would just like to place on record in your committee a quotation. Bagay na bagay doon sa mga ibang kasama natin dito ngayon eh. We are living in a time where some people are proud of what they should be ashamed of. Thank you.
Sino ang gumawa nun na parang ikaw yata yun. Thank you very much, Minority Leader. Before we... Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Can you show the slide? DPWH. Yes, Ma'am Yusek. Every year tinatanong ko to, and every year sinasabi nyo na harmless ito at mistake lang ito. Pero every year, rather than natatanggal, dumadagdag. So, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Minority Leader, if you look in our slides, nung GAA ng 2023, 2.77 billion, ang double, exactly the same, ang nasa GAA. Bringing up natin to sa committee hearing, pero hanggang sa final version, meron pa rin natira. 2024, imbis na nabawasan, 3.48 billion ang double appropriation. Binanggit ko rin ulit to, sabi ulit ng DPWH, aayusin din nila. 2025, 78.5 billion ang double appropriation. So can you go to the next slide? Next slide ulit para... So these are the examples, Mr. Chair, no? Makikita mo, sorry po, malit lang dito, but exactly the same project, exactly the same amount. So, ma'am, quick answer lang po kasi magse-session na. Bakit hindi matanggal to sa submissions niya?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, sa National Expenditure Program po, pagka sinabit namin sa DBM at may na-catch kami pareho na double appropriation or pareho na exactly yung project name, ay kinokorek na po namin through submission of errata.
Ma'am, that's never. Ako po ang nagbe-bring up dito and then si Senator Coco. Okay. Pero sa final version, hindi pa rin na-correct.
Yun po ang ano.
So, pero bakit nga every year meron? So, itong 2026 ba? Meron?
Wala pong akong nare-report sa akin.
Sorry to ask you but kasi wala na si Sec Bonoan. But every year you promise na walang double, but every year lumalaki. Ibig sa lumiliit. So, second question, now that you're doing an investigation, have you looked kung parehong binayaran yung mga double or hindi na binid yung isa or parehong binid? Have you looked o hindi?
Posible pong hindi na binid yung isa.
No, question ko ma'am, have you looked or not? Honest answer, have you looked or not?
Personally po, hindi po.
O can you ask and submit to the committee, is your investigation committee, did they or not? Okay.
Yes po.
Third question, bakit parang hirap na hirap ang DPWH mag-investigate? Hindi lang ngayon, nung inimbestigahan natin yung tulay, ayaw nyo mag-preventive suspension, ayaw nyo mag-submit. Tapos pag may mga investigation na ganito, para kaming dentista na kailangan hilahin pa yung ngipin nang walang anesthesia, parang bubunutan pa parati. Bakit po ganon?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, hindi ko po masagot yan dahil yung investigation po,
May execom kayo, ma'am, di ba?
opo.
Hindi nyo na pag-uusapan sa execom tuwing may investigasyon? Nung nangyari na po itong lahat na to, it's been more than a month in the SONA. So hindi nyo na pag-usapan yung SONA nung sinabi ni Presidente, mahiya naman kayo at ano?
Nagtask lang po si former Secretary Bonoan ng mga QAU team para umikot po sa mga regional offices na mag-inspect po.
Okay, can you run us through paano yung investigation na yun? Is it general? Is it everything? Di ba nasa inyo yung, under sa iyo yung geotagging?
Sa infratrack po. Opo.
Sorry, sa
application po. Yes po.
Yes. So, have you already, binunot nyo na ba lahat ng geotagging nung top 15 man lang? At tinignan nyo na ba kung may ghost o wala?
Yun po yung kinuha ng inspectorate, yung geotagging, para po tignan kung nandun po sila talaga sa location na naka-report po sa application.
No, but it's so easy to find out kung may geotagging sila sinabmit, tapos wala. Diba? So for example, sa lahat ng pinakita ni Senator Lacson na ghost, nakita nyo na sa geotagging na may na-submit nga na meron?
Meron pong geotag na naka-report.
So, sinuspend nyo na ba yung nag-submit ng geotag? Hindi pa rin.
Sa pagkakalam ko po.
Kaya nga ma'am, yun ang tanong ko nga eh. Bakit? Halimbawa dito sa Senate, kung sinabing may nagmamariwana, investigasyon ka agad, tatanggalin. Sa BIR, tanong mo kay Commissioner, yung katabi mo, nababasa ko lang, hindi mo na kwento to, Commissioner, nababasa ko lang. Di ba? Ilan na sinuspend na sa term mo?
Madami-dami na, Mr. Chair, I think more than 50, 70.
O, pag na-dyaryo tomorrow na meron hingian and may prima facie evidence, will you act upon it or will you wait?